Well, good morning. Today we finally get to test out our bird feeder, which I'm real excited about. But first, we'll probably ought to know exactly what them birds like to eat. And fortunately, we live in a day and age when information's right at our fingertips. So let's say we head to the library.
All of me, why not take all of me? Can't you see that I'm no good without you? Take my arms, I won't lose them.
You took the part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me? Let's see here. Alright, well, they done away with the Dewey or the card catalog. Let's see if we can find a Dewey Decimal System. Hey Arlo, this baboons and monkeys. Parts of a feather. All feathers have a main stem. Look at what I got. Birds of North America. I'm telling you what, that's 2 inches thick. I'll bet we find out what we need to know within a 1/4 inch. Oh, look what else I got. Baboons and monkeys. All right, the very first thing we're featuring today is this here vest. It's a handyman's vest. It's made by Skillers. Here's a double zipper right here. We're gonna zip her up, show you how that works. It's like, yeah, it's got all these here pockets for doodads and whatnots. I even got pockets in the back here. Can you see them, Arlo?
Yep, we can see them.
All right. Next thing, we're gonna move to a tactical flashlight. Allows us to bird right in the dead of night. Probably put that, well, let's put that. Find a better pocket for that. How about right there? Then I got this here is a headlamp. That's for night timing. There's for daytiming. And that's off, obviously, because you can't see nothing. But that just fits right over your head or your cap or whatever you're going to be wearing. This here is a birder's journal. Now it says Right in the Rain All-Weather Birder's Journal number 195, which I don't know what that is, but I guess it's probably a pretty good one. But looky here. You got a sketch. If you want to sketch it out, date, time, weather, location, all this kind of room for notes. I thought that was pretty nifty. And then look at this, all-weather pen, made in the USA, US and imported parts. This is number 93K, which 195. Probably gonna work all right. But anyway, let's load that up. This writes in the rain, so if it's wet out, hey, that don't make no, never mind. You got to write in the rain pen. Okay, let's put that in there. Looks like it was made for it, don't it? I like that. Okay. Sorry, we'll just get rid of that. Climbing rope, okay. That's about 50 foot. I figured that'd be plenty. A self-lock tape measure. I just carry one at all times with me. Look at there. Pocket knife. Right there. Umbrella. Everybody at the Audubon Society has one of these. Camo. I have a pocket all lined out for this beauty. Right there. Bushnell. They run a pretty good binocular here for birding, spying, birding, spotting, whatnot. That's essential right there. You gotta have that. Let's move right into provisions because you're gonna get hungry out there birding all day and you need to be prepared. So I got me a bologna with mustard. I've been eating it all my life. It's delicious, it's nutritious. So I run a bologna and mustard every day. Dr. K. Tastes almost just like Dr. Pepper, and I saved like maybe $1.75 or 78 after tax, whatever. Maybe, all right, maybe almost $2, okay? Yep, tastes almost just like Dr. Pepper. I've got a cooler right here, pre-filled with ice. You gotta have a full thermos of U-Ban. Keeping you up, you're gonna get tired, but I drink decaf. But anyway, collapsible camping chair right here. How about that? Sandwich platform right there. Last but not least, bird feeder. What we built. Turns out birds don't eat pickles and weenies and like everybody else does, but they eat bird food. Okay, they make a regular food for birds. All it is cracked corn. It says it right there. Cracked corn, but that's what they eat, all birds. Did you know I found out that goose is a bird? You don't think of it as a bird. Got a beak, got everything a regular bird does. It's a bird. That's it right there. Spiders. All right. Let's go. Arlo, I can't get up here. Hold on. Let me try something. Ow. Well, there goes the U-Ban. Maybe get a little higher. Arlo, tie a bowling hitch around that U-Ban and send it up to me, will you? I better document this. What time I started? No bird yet. Time for a cold one. You know what, Arlo? I don't think this tree is providing a lot of cover. I think them birds can see me, because I ain't seen a bird now in about 26 or 27 minutes. I think I'm going to relocate. Arlo, is that the ladder?
Yep, that's the ladder, Conrad. You got it.
All right. Hey Arlo, look, you can see the blood in my finger. 3 inches. My middle one's like, of course, probably a good time to eat a sandwich, I guess. Cracked corn, wild bird, and critter food. I wonder if it tastes just like corn. Arlo, that's nasty. Sea spider, water spout. These daggum birds are everywhere but at that feeder. I hear them. Nape, hind neck, side of neck, upper back, scapulars, greater coverts. What is that? I don't think this is gonna work out. You can hear him. I hear him all day long. I know he sees it. This is for the one who drives the big rig, bringing in the load. For the waitress, the mechanic, policeman on patrol. How long have we been out here? Is my nose bleeding, Arlo? Can you see?
No, your nose is fine, Conrad.
Feels like it's bleeding. Can you hear them birds? I've been listening to that all day. It sounds like they're mocking me. I wish I spoke bird. See, they ain't talking now. They know I'm on to them. Silence, you see? Arlo, I'm cold. Let's go in. Birds of North America. I looked at this already. Harrigan's hawk, yellow rail, black rail, purple Gillian Isle. See it? This don't tell me nothing about drawing it to the bird fader. All it does is say they's from North America. Baboons. A baboon story. Baboons.
Are you close? Close up on my face?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, ready? Yep, tastes almost just like Dr. Pepper. I'll drop my thermos to you, man.
Okay.
I kind of wanted to do this thing a little slow because that's a morning deal. What do you think?
That's good.
All right. Drenched.
How are you?
Yeah. From my knees down.
Oh, sorry.
Nope, that's okay. It's the price you pay for
Art.
quality art.
The mechanic, the policeman on patrol, for everyone who works behind the
Baboons.
scenes.
That's good. That was really good.
You can't replace with no machine. Hello, America.